walk around. Ford Ranger 4-cylinder. And for a vibrant performance, muffler upgrade. Pretty dope little Ford. Not bad, not bad. Good lift on there. Cool little rims, like a little baby Raptor. Like a little Rap Tide. Not a Raptor, but a little Rap Tide.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I have to do a voiceover because of the music in the background. YouTube keeps copywriting it. So basically in this video, what we're doing is taking the AFE muffler that they have on the Ranger already, sliding it forward, and we're going to be putting a vibrant ultra quiet muffler on the truck. The client just wants basically a quieter ride, so that's what we're going to be doing today.
Boom. Got some pretty dope suspension. It's gotta be a fun little trail truck. Good to go.